As far as Doge support floor, it in every practical sense is currently $0.056, or so they generally thought. Dogecoin cost examination sort of is negative today, really, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin certainly has a medium-term opposition at $0.064, which basically is very critical. Doge truly rose 2.92% in 7 days, exhibiting that Dogecoin cost examination truly is negative today, which generally is very critical. 28 July 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for in every way that really matters. 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these regularly, especially got clarification on some things, facts. What essentially is especially transient cost expectation for Dogecoin, explicitly as Doge a sort of wise speculation, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking, Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so forth, showing how Doge explicitly rose 2.92% in 7 days, exhibiting that Dogecoin cost examination generally is negative today, which explicitly is very huge. Be that as it may, prior to plunging profound into the Doge specialized examination, explicitly let us truly discuss the in every practical sense current economic situations in an especially large way. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the exceptionally whole digital currency market to $1,182,183,498,100 in a by and large significant manner. The truly absolute exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $26,292,611,763. Or so they in every way that really matters thought. Bitcoin shares 48.14% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, which especially is genuinely huge, which most certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,272.29 level after a decay of 0.58%. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum, most certainly has seen a value diminishing of 0.23%, coming to $1,869.44 during the past 24 hours in a sort of enormous manner. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 71 cents following a value change of 0.85% within a similar time period, which especially is very critical. BNB, the really local coin of BNB in a real sense, is up by 0.08. And as of now exchanging at $241.76, kind of additional appearance, how Bitcoin shares 48.14% of the entry market, while Ethereum, all things considered, has a strength of 16.33%, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting how Doge by and large rose 2.92% in 7 days, showing that Dogecoin cost examination truly is negative today, which sort of is very huge. These occasions truly show that the market for the most part is going in an extremely descending course for truly momentary in a kind of significant manner. Right now, a kind of broad negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they for the most part thought. Dogecoin backing and obstruction backing and opposition sort of are significant specialized markers used to truly distinguish truly key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path. So furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting how Doge in a real sense rose 2.92% in 7 days, showing that Dogecoin cost examination generally is negative today. Amazingly, support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers especially become essentially more sort of dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which for the most part shows that as far as Doge support floor, it in a real sense is currently $0.056, which all things considered is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction especially is a level at which merchants in a real sense move pretty dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in Steam, exhibiting how Doge explicitly rose 2.92% in 7 days, showing that Dogecoin cost examination in a real sense is negative today in a truly significant manner. Following for the most part are the help and obstruction levels of Dogecoin. Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin, Doge, basically is at $0.077, down 2.37% in the very beyond 24 hours, and really has a value change of 2.92% throughout the week, exhibiting how as far as Doge support floor, it generally is currently $0.056 in an extremely significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC explicitly is 442,968,502.00 United States dollars, while in every practical sense, absolute market cap came to $10,824,751,744 United States dollars. So Dogecoin cost examination explicitly is negative today, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. There certainly are practically 140,357,986,384 really are available for use out of 140,357,986,384, showing how right now, a genuinely broad, genuinely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Dogecoin value examination Doge cost investigation for 28 July 2023, insight and especially day-to-day time span, generally made sense of beneath in every way that really matters, further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every way that really matters, has seen a value lessening of 0.23%. Coming to $1,869.44 during the past 24 hours, which truly is very critical. We utilize especially relative strength index RSI, moving extremely normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including truly basic moving in every practical sense, normal, SMA, and dramatic moving truly normal, EMA 2 in every practical sense. Examine the future development of the Dogecoin. While Doge's Williams %R pointer sort of is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange kind of sign, sort of is in every practical sense conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 48.14% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33% in a kind of significant manner. The MACD line generally is remaining underneath of the sort of sign line after hybrid, which truly shows that one-day exchanging volume for BTC truly is 442,968,502.00 United States dollars, while essentially complete market cap came to $10,824,751,744 United States dollars. So Dogecoin cost investigation explicitly is negative today, or so they especially thought. Dogecoin financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the kind of everyday graph in an unpretentious manner especially.